Hi there, today we're going to learn how to differentiate efficacy, efficiency, and effectivity, which are terms that most people mix up. First, efficacy is related to the question what? What needs to be done? It concerns the achievement of objectives. Let's say that the government needs to build a school and the school was built, so the objective was achieved. So there was efficacy. The government was efficacious in this case. Let's say that you want to pass the entrance exam and you passed the entrance exam. So you achieved your objective. So there was efficacy. You were efficacious. Let's say that a company needs to produce 5,000 units of any product and these 5,000 units were produced. So the company achieved the objective. There was efficacy. The company was efficacious. Efficiency, on the other hand, is related to the question how. It concerns how objectives are achieved. Let's say that the government needs to build a school, but a much higher amount of money was spent than normal. A much higher number of workers were necessary than normal. Or it took the government much longer to build this school than normal. So there was no efficiency. The government was not efficient. Let's say that you have a headache and you have two options of headache medicine. Both of them are able to relieve you from this headache. But one does so in 5 minutes and the other one in 30 minutes. So the first headache medicine can be considered more efficient than the second one. At last, effectivity, it concerns the impact of achieving objectives. Let's say that the government needs to build a bridge. So if the bridge was built, there was efficacy. If a reasonable amount of money or time or material were necessary, there was efficiency. But what about effectivity? What was the impact of building this bridge? We could mention, for instance, improving the traffic in that region. So there was effectivity in this case. And effectivity is what you normally study, is what you normally research when you evaluate public policies, because we are interested to know what are the impacts of public policies. The other day I saw this picture on the internet and it got my attention. The government in Honduras built this bridge over a river, but after a hurricane, the course of the river was changed, as we can see here in the picture, and the bridge turned out to be useless. So in this case, was the construction efficacious? Yes, the bridge was built. The objective of building the bridge was achieved. Was the construction efficient? We don't have data to affirm that. We need to know how much money or how much time or the number of people used in the construction to affirm that there was efficiency in this case. And was the construction effective? No, because what was the impact of this bridge after the hurricane, of course? None. Did it improve the traffic in that region? No, because of the hurricane in this case. So, in a nutshell, efficacy is related to the accomplishment of objectives. Efficiency is related to how objectives are accomplished, and effectivity is related to the impact of accomplishing these objectives. If you have any question, please comment, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for your attention.